Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. You want more information about how to pick dogs for people with allergies? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to pick dogs for people with allergies is www.denovite.com. Specifically the page titled Best Dog Food, How to Make a Good Choice for Your Dog. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site ottawavalley.dogwhisperer.blogspot.com, especially the page Ottawa Valley Dog Whisperer, How to Choose a Good Quality. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site dogs.about.com. The web page How to Choose the Right Dog for You, About. This is the link.